Hey there, this is Navit from CreativeMinds. Today we're going to talk about how to import videos and channels into your CreativeMinds Video Lessons Manager plugin directly from your Vimeo or Wistia account. We are also going to talk about how to manage these videos within your different lessons or courses and take a look at where you can locate the necessary shortcode for any lesson or course that you create. So heading over to our admin dashboard, down to the Video Lessons Manager plugin, and over to our videos, you can see a list of all the videos we have already imported. But if we would like to import additional ones, here we have the option of choosing from our Vimeo or Wistia account. And please note that this will only work if you have already entered your API key for each of these accounts. You have the option of viewing your entire video library within each of these platforms, or viewing it by album or channel as you have created within Vimeo or Wistia. You also have the ability of searching for specific titles within each of these catalogs. And this can be a helpful management tool depending on where you like to organize your video courses, as you can simply create the courses within the Wistia or Vimeo platforms and simply import them directly into Video Lessons Manager here. Before importing the videos, we can select a specific lesson to assign all the new imports to. And once we have selected the appropriate videos, it's just a quick import before we get a confirmation message that these videos have been added to the lesson that we selected. So I just imported 3 videos from the general Vimeo library, but here I am viewing my Vimeo channels and albums as I have created them within my Vimeo account. And here you can see I have the ability to import all of the videos associated with each one of those albums or channels. Now we are going to want to assign these videos to different lessons and courses, and of course lessons are nested within courses. And as you saw before, we can add the videos directly to a lesson when we import them, or we also have the option of adding them after the fact. So here is a lesson that I've already created, and I can manage the videos already within it simply by dragging them to get the order that I prefer. And down at the bottom there is a search bar that if there's any video that I have imported to my general library that is not already assigned to a lesson, I can find it here and add it directly. One thing to note, however, is that if you have one video that you would like to add to multiple lessons, you will need to import this video more than once, as each video can only be added to one lesson. And over here on the right-hand sidebar, you can manage the appearance of the lesson page. You can choose which page template you would like to use, either by using one within your theme, or if you select the global setting, this will refer to whatever settings you configure within the plugin itself. And similarly, this applies for the video and the playlist layout. So here you can see how our video lesson will display if we select the playlist layout. And this is using the global setting, which is currently set to displaying the playlist on the bottom. If we choose to display the playlist on the left or the right, we get the main video with the description of the lesson in a large box in the center of the screen with a scroll bar with the rest of the lesson over on the left-hand side. And of course, that would then reverse if you chose the other setting to display the playlist on the right. If we choose not to display the lesson in a playlist layout and simply as a tile layout, then the videos will display in a simple tile grid system with the main lesson description at the top and the videos displayed in a grid with their individual descriptions below and a box down at the bottom to leave notes. Now, to manage all of these aspects of the appearance under Settings in our plugin and the Appearance tab, you can choose how many videos you would like to display per page. You can choose the default video layout, and you can choose in which way to display the video playlist, as well as the playlist maximum width. If you set it as 0, this will disable the maximum width. You can choose whether or not to show the video, lesson, and course descriptions, and whether or not to allow that note area we saw at the bottom of each one of the videos. You can choose a default page template, and this can come from your theme, and you can choose whether or not to allow shortcode within the content itself. In the section at the bottom, you can choose whether or not to display a progress flag, and this flag will help users keep track of their progress as they navigate through a video lesson. And you have the ability to customize the colors to indicate the different stages within that progress, and to show a percentage value as they progress through the course. Now let's return to our video lessons page, as there's a couple more details to look at. Up here at the top, under the shortcode box, you can see the lesson ID number, and directly below that is the shortcode with the lesson ID number that you can use to create a page for this video lesson. Now, to locate the shortcode for an entire course, you can go into your courses. Once you have created a course, you'll just need to click Edit, and down at the bottom you will see the shortcode for the course as well. Now, if you would like to embed one of the videos from your library on a different page in your site, you can do this also with a shortcode from the specific video. So go into your video files list, and over in the shortcode box, you will see the video ID number and the shortcode to produce a video player, as well as the video's lesson player with a playlist. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope you feel prepared to get started creating your video course. For more information, visit us at cminds.com. Thank you and have a great day.